Who took the lizard?
My watermelon.
You took the lizard? What did you put it in your mouth?
Yeah.
You put the dead lizard in your mouth? Where, did you swallow it?
Yeah.
You ate the lizard?
Yep.
That's gross.
Ew. And that's gross. Is that a yucky? Spit it out.
You can't spit it out. It's in your belly now.
Oh,
Was it crunchy? Was it crunchy?
In my body now.
You honestly ate it?
Oh.
I know. Do you guys see it around here? I don't see it. You guys better find it. He said he ate it, but I don't. It's not in there because I already cleaned that out. That's disgusting. Did you really eat it, E?
Nope.
No? Get a straight answer from you.
Because we can't find it.
Well, I guess we'll tell when we change his diaper, right?
Mom.
That's disgusting.
No.
God. Ugh, I'm not letting you kiss me goodnight.